us. We are taking this boat, Saint Maria. I don't know where I'm going. No idea.
I'm really scared right now. You're lucky we're not in the park. Check your purse.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's just Ellen. I am in Malta. Yes, I came for a vacation with my friend Anastasia, and yeah, it was a very long trip. You will see the footage here. I need to just check in, so let's go. Oh, my battery's down. Hello! So I just met my dear friend Anastasia. We're going to Malta together, and yeah, what are you drinking?
Coffee.
Okay,
it's
nice.
McDonald's.
It's fine.
No, it was Starbucks.
Okay, let's pretend it was Starbucks. Okay,
Oh,
now...
it's McDonald's. It's fine. It's McDonald's, but it's good one.
Yeah. Okay, so we will see you, I guess, from the Malta?
Oh, you will see her, not me.
Her
Okay,
too.
maybe
Yeah.
sometime.
Okay. Okay, bye. Yeah, so I changed the seat.
Wcześniej w ciągu dnia.
Look what hair she has on her
Teraz
legs.
w końcu jesteśmy prawie
You
gotowi do
haven't seen
naszego lotu
such a
za
long
kilka
hair on
minut.
the legs, right?
Silniki rozpoczniemy naszą podróż. Pogoda na trasie przelotu jest bardzo ładna. Pogoda na
I
miejscu
don't have
jest
long
bardzo
hair.
dobra. 30 stopni Celsjusza. Dziękuję za uwagę.
Those
Życzę
videos
miłego
can get a lot of comments and a lot of followers. That's my sense of humor.
Captain, I'd like to welcome you on board.
Look, she says she doesn't want to take pictures, but she's taking
At the
pictures.
beginning, actually, I would like to apologize.
What is this trick called?
If you don't brush your teeth every day.
And what happens? Okay, so she is going to show us the trick.
Not true. If you don't brush your teeth every day, what will happen?
If you don't brush your teeth every day, this will happen.
Let's wait.
The safety features of this aircraft so that in the unlikely event of an emergency, you'll be prepared and know what to do. Please remove your earphones and mute your electronic devices to be able to dedicate full attention.
Brush your teeth, otherwise you're gonna have it.
What the hell was that, guys?
Prosimy zdjęcie słuchawek i wyłączenie urządzeń elektronicznych.
Oh my god. I did not expect that. Okay, so we did the customs and I'm waiting for Anastasia. Anastasia, here. What happened?
He started to laugh.
I'm like, don't worry, I just checked my analysis, everything is negative, don't flag it, it's okay, I'm clean. He's like, okay. We are going to the bus stop. Oh, hold on, I will take my mask off. It is so hot and I am wearing the sweatbands. Here I am. So now I am buying the travel card, Malta public transport, and you got this Explore Adults, one card, and I pay with the card. Ah. Okay guys, so we are in a public transport right now and we got this, what it's called? It's the travel card and it is filled for 7 days, so it's like a 7 days unlimited travel and we paid 21 euros for that. Yeah.
And it's cheaper to travel with the card because night bus costs 3 euros until October bus costs 2 euros, so return for euros at 9 is like sake. Yeah, and cheaper to use the card in case if you want to explore the island.
I am so fucking tired, and the reason is I have hair in my mouth that I don't have internet. Anastasia has internet and her phone, and she missed the bus stop we were supposed to take, and now we are walking to our accommodation, and it is so far. It's like 2 kilometers away, and my back hurts, everything hurts, and she's running basically. Oh my god. It's so hot. It's so fucking hot. Oh my god, I'm sorry for my language. But yeah, it is like 30 degrees, but it feels like 40.
And how to say 4? 4. 4?
Okay, so it's voice command. We need help.
4.
4! Oh my god, now I remember the video of the Scottish guys trying to go to 11.
11. 11. 11.
4! Okay, can you Google Translate 4?
What? Wait.
4! 4! No 4. Oh! Excuse me, sir. Sorry. There is an elevator. We need to say, and how to say 4 in Maltese.
4.
Yes.
Erba.
Erba. Okay, thank you. Erba. Okay, we already know how to say
Erba.
four. Let it close. El Erba.
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 I don't know why it's not working. Wait, Ellen, stay with your erba. I will go upstairs.
Okay.
Like, seriously, it's
Erba. I don't want to take stairs. Erba. Erba.
11.
when she's almost dying. Oh my god.
It's here. No. Okay. I think we're there and I'm so sweaty. Okay. Looks pretty decent. Except for me. Okay, I hear reggaeton here. No, it's guys.
And over. What I want you to do is just name any single playing card you want.
Somebody's mouth.
King of Hearts.
King of Hearts, good choice. Now look, that was a free choice. There's no way I could have predicted you'd say that. What would you do if the King of Hearts is the only one turned upside down? The one that you just said.
No way.
You don't believe that? Okay, I'm going to show you what's in there, but before I do you want to change your mind? Yes or no? You want to change it to a different card? You don't want to change it? It's King of Hearts. Camera four.
King of Hearts.
Yeah, and look, there's no cards in my hands, okay? King of Hearts, okay? Look, I'll go through it face up. Hold on to the box for a second, look. They're all face up, okay? There should be one card upside down. There, you see it? The rest are face up. Have a look. Turn it over.
No way. Oh my god, no way.
Perfect. It's quite impressive, isn't it? You know, usually at bars I get people to buy me drinks when I get that one bite, but we're lucky.
I am really scared right now.
We're lucky we're not at the bar. It's like, check your purse. I'm not
I am all ready right now and we are heading to Mashalak to the fish market and then we will go to the St. Peter's pool. So I am all prepared and I basically have everything. Okay guys, so we're in Valletta right now. It's the capital of Malta and it is so beautiful. Oh, also, I met a Georgian guy, Tornike.
Yes, of course.
Yeah,
Hello.
it's so cool. Look at that. I'm so shaky.
This is a little leggy. Tuk tuk tuk.
So I'm waiting for the bus. I'm waiting for the number 119. It will take me to Pretty Bay, to the beach. Apparently it's very beautiful, so we're gonna go there. And I am waiting alone. As you can see, there is no one with me. Because Anastasia, she decided to take a walk. She wanted to take pictures, and honestly, I am very tired. My feet hurt, and I was not up for that. So I will meet her there. Great, so I am lost in Malta. I have no idea where I am. I got on 119 number bus. It was supposed to take me to this Pretty Bay, but it was going in a different direction and I had to get off. And right now I'm standing in the sun. I hope I will not burn. And I have to figure out how to get to, yeah, to Pretty Bay, so woo! Nice! What an adventure! Okay, I will just go to the internet, Google, and ask it how to get to Pretty Bay because damn, it's super hot. Yeah, we were at the fish market, Anastasia and I. Actually, it is a normal market, and we got some magnets, souvenirs. And yeah, after that we decided to go to Peter's Bay, but Anastasia, she decided to abandon me and go for a walk. But yeah, I did not go with her. I decided to stay alone and take a bus, but I don't see any buses here. Okay guys, so right now I will figure out how to get off this place and yeah, go to the beach. I'll see you later. I'll keep you updated. Lost in Malta. Yeah. And I look like shit because I don't have makeup on and I am so sweaty and so tired. And I hope it's not my bus. No. So I got lost and now my arms are itching. And I think I'm getting an allergy because of the sun. I've already had it a month ago. And right now the same thing is happening. I don't know, can you see this? I'm starting to get the rush. at the bus stop.
2 hours later.
Okay guys, I got there. I'm at Pretty Bay, finally. And it was pretty nice. Just Ellen. We are taking this boat, Saint Maria, and unfortunately it's without the motor, so I'm joking. We are not taking a boat, we're not that rich. But maybe, we'll see. Okay guys, so we already left the beach. What was the name of the beach, Anastasia? Pretty Bay. Yeah, I forgot. I've been repeating that all day, and yeah, I forgot the name because I'm super tired and I'm sleepy. So yeah, we left Pretty Bay and we are in St. Paul's right now. We're gonna go home and end the day here. I hope you enjoyed today's video and my little adventure of getting lost. But luckily, I managed to get another bus and get to the beach and meet my friend. So yeah, we survived, we're good. So give me a thumbs up because of that. And if you want to see more of my adventures, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Bye! Say bye!
Bye!